Hey friends, so I'm here at Tokyo Station and I'm going to check out these booths, these pods that they have all around at different stations in Tokyo. These are just places that you can rest and do a little bit of work just to get off your feet, because in Tokyo there's not a whole lot of chairs or benches anywhere. So these are really needed by people and I'm going to check it out. I'm curious. So there's 3 of them right here, 5, 6, and 7. I don't think they have to be pre-reserved, but it looks like it's 275 yen for 15 minutes. And this one is for like employees, and this one I think is for just anybody, because it does say business and personal right here. It only takes a Suica or Pasmo card. So I've got the Pasmo card. Even though these have been discontinued, I just have this one from when I was here before. And I'm gonna just do this for 15 minutes and just, I may not stay in there, I just wanna check it out and see what's in there. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. So it's locking me in. I don't think I'm actually locked in. It just feels like I'm locked in, but that's not the case. So it's pretty small in here. Right when you step in, there's a chair and it swivels. And it looks like that's venting, like an AC unit or something down there. It's definitely good for working. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, let me see. I think there's a light. No, that's the button to open. There's your light. And I'm not sure what this is. Okay, right here's some stuff. Okay, that just turned on this, I believe. Now if I could figure out how to turn on the TV. Okay, so I just turned on the TV, you just press this. There's some hand sanitizer right here. A little hook to hang something you need. Oh, right here is a sign that tells you everything. Of course, it's in Japanese, as it should be. I'm in Japan. But I could take my Google Translate on my other phone and probably translate all that. But I pretty much figured out most things. Looks like you have a passcode for some Wi-Fi. And I'm not sure about how to get the channels on here. So I found that pretty handy. If you're a foreign visitor here like I am, the way I would use that is maybe to charge my cell phone, because sometimes you're out and about with your Wi-Fi and your phone and you might be out all day. The phone battery could go down, or your Wi-Fi could go down, because they have pocket Wi-Fi that they use a lot here, so that you can navigate and get around the city. It's so large, but that's very handy to go in there and charge your cell phone, maybe take a 10-minute cat nap, or just to be alone for a minute, because sometimes you need to just take a break and figure out where you're going in the station. So if you're in Tokyo and you see one of these, it's pretty straightforward. You could definitely give it a try. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.